I am just still amazed every time I see this how much it looks like knit stockinette. Hello there! Today I'm going to show you how to do the Tunisian knit stitch. So this is the front and this is the back. It doesn't have as much stretch as knitting does, and it is a lot thicker, but it still looks beautiful. As you can see, there's quite a bit of curling that happens with this stitch, so I recommend starting and finishing your project with a couple rows of Tunisian purl stitch. I will link a video for that in the description box below, and that will take care of some of the curling. Alright, you're going to need some yarn and a Tunisian crochet hook. I have just some worsted weight cotton and a 6.5mm hook. This is my foundation row of 10 Tunisian simple stitches. If you don't know how to do the foundation row for Tunisian crochet, I will put a link in the description box below to my beginner's guide to Tunisian crochet, where you will learn how to do how to make a foundation row as well as the simple stitch and how to bind off your project. So to get started with the knit stitch, you're going to insert your hook through, oh come on, focus, there we go, through the center of the front vertical bar and the back vertical bar. So you're going to insert your hook into this little, come on, focus, there we go, into this little space right here, and then pull up a loop. Okay, let's do that again. So here's our front bar, and here's the back vertical bar, and we're going to go into this space and pull up a loop, and you're just going to do that all the way across. So find the space between the front vertical bar and the back vertical bar, insert your hook, pull up a loop. When you get to the last stitch, you're going to insert your hook under these last two vertical bars here and pull up a loop that way. So that's what it looks like. And then you're just going to do the standard return pass. So yarn over, you're going to chain one, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way across. So that's how you do the Tunisian knit stitch. It's kind of hard to tell the patterning after the first row, but the more rows that you add, the more that you will be able to see that stockinette type stitch come out. I'm almost done, Anna. Yes. And then when we get to the end, we go under both loops there. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.